Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Buffer in 2026. If you want to schedule Instagram posts, reels, and stories from one dashboard, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're using the account where you want to manage your Instagram content. Next, click the Connect Channel or Add Channel button. Buffer will display a list of all the social media platforms you can connect. Now select Instagram from the available options. Buffer will redirect you to the Instagram login page or Meta authorization page, depending on your account. Next, sign in to your Instagram account using your username and password if you're not already logged in. For the best experience, make sure you're using a professional Instagram account that is connected to a Facebook page. Now review the permissions Buffer requests and click Allow or Continue to authorize the connection. These permissions allow Buffer to publish and manage your scheduled content. Next, wait a few seconds while Buffer completes the setup. Once the connection is successful, you'll be redirected back to your Buffer dashboard. Now you should see your Instagram account listed among your connected channels. To make sure everything is working correctly, click Create Post, upload a photo or video, write a caption, and schedule it for a future date and time. Finally, check your publishing queue to confirm that your scheduled Instagram post has been added successfully. You can always edit, reschedule, or delete it before it goes live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Instagram to Buffer step by step. You can now schedule your Instagram content in advance and manage your social media more efficiently from a single dashboard. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.